If you're finished with your website on Hostinger, it's crucial to know how to permanently delete it, ensuring all data is removed and billing is stopped. This video will guide you through the complete process, from unpublishing your site to removing your domain, covering best practices for a clean and secure removal. We'll focus on the latest Hostinger procedures as of December 2025. Let's start by looking at the Hostinger dashboard, where you manage your websites and domains. Here's the interface for deleting websites, showing your site list with delete options. And this shows how domains are managed and removed from your account. The first step in permanently deleting your Hostinger website is to unpublish it. This immediately takes your site offline, making it inaccessible to visitors while keeping the files intact on the server. Start by logging in to your Hostinger hPanel dashboard, where you manage all your hosting settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Websites section in the main menu. From your list of websites, select the one you want to delete. Look for the Unpublish option in the Websites Management menu and click it. Confirm your choice when prompted. Your website will now be offline, but the files and data are still on the server and can be accessed later if needed. Step 3 focuses on removing or transferring your domain. Remember, your domain registration is completely separate from your website hosting. Even if you delete your website files, the domain remains registered unless you take specific action to manage it. Your domain is separate from hosting. To manage your domain, navigate to the Domains section in your Hostinger hPanel dashboard. This is where you'll find all your domain management options. Navigate to the Domains section in hPanel. This centralized area allows you to manage all aspects of your domain registration. In the Domains section, you'll see your domain portfolio. This interface shows all your registered domains, their status, expiration dates, and auto-renewal settings. For example, you might see domains like domain.tld with active status and upcoming expiration. Once in the Domains section, you have several options for managing your domain. If the domain is registered through Hostinger, you can choose to transfer it to another provider, renew the registration to extend its life, or simply let it expire on its natural date. The Domain Management page shows options to get a new domain or transfer existing ones to Hostinger. You'll see your My Domains list with columns for domain name, status, expiration dates, and auto-renewal settings. This makes it easy to manage multiple domains from one place. If you want to delete your domain immediately rather than letting it expire, you'll need to take specific steps. First, ensure the domain is unlocked. Many domains, especially .com domains, are locked for security reasons. Second, disable auto-renewal to prevent automatic renewal. Keep in mind that deleting premium domains early might incur additional fees. The Domains page displays a clear table with your domain information. You can see the domain name, its current status, active or otherwise, when it expires, and whether auto-renewal is enabled. This interface makes it straightforward to make changes to your domain settings. Step 4 focuses on handling domain locks and privacy settings. Many domains, especially .com domains, are locked for security reasons to prevent unauthorized changes. Before deleting your domain, you may need to unlock it. This security feature protects your domain from unauthorized transfers or deletions. To unlock your domain, contact Hostinger support. They can assist you through their help center or chat support. If you have domain privacy add-ons, consider their impact on deletion or transfer. These services protect your personal information, but may affect the deletion process. Hostinger integrates with ICANN's domain privacy features for enhanced protection. ICANN manages domain registrations worldwide and provides privacy services to keep your information secure. After deleting your website and domain, DNS changes take time to spread worldwide. This process, called DNS propagation, typically takes 24 to 72 hours globally. During propagation, visitors in different locations may still see the old website or encounter error messages while the DNS updates spread across the internet. To fix display issues on your own device, clear your browser cache. This removes any cached DNS information that might show the old site. If you're transferring your domain to another provider, update the name servers in your domain settings to point to the new hosting service. Before completing the deletion, double-check that you've backed up any essential data, unlocked your domain if necessary, and understood the implications of permanent deletion. Ensure your domain is unlocked if necessary for removal or transfer. Understand the implications of permanent deletion. This action cannot be undone. Monitor your email for confirmation messages from Hostinger. If you encounter any issues, Hostinger's 24/7 chat support is available to assist you. Remember, deleting your website is a serious action, so proceed with caution and ensure you're fully prepared. Your Hostinger website deletion process is now complete. Thank you for following these steps carefully.